What can we expect of the real estate market in 2022, you ask? This is your favorite red hair realtor here in Houston, and as we say goodbye to a very busy 2021, it is time to turn attention to what lies ahead for us in the new year. First, let's talk about home prices. While record low inventory sent home values rocketing in 2020, as you know, it looks like stock levels are starting to catch up somewhat. Prices are going to continue to rise, just slightly slower, however, at around 5.8% compared to 11.7% average in 2021. Most experts predict that we won't see depreciation in the prices anytime soon. So what does that mean as far as inventory in 2022? 2021 was extremely rough for the housing supply, and the buyers outpaced sellers in most markets. So the housing inventory could improve slightly this year, but will likely remain a challenge for years to come. The housing market will remain competitive for buyers, particularly for those for homes in the entry-level price range. As far as mortgage rates, you ask, 2021 saw lowest mortgage interest rates in history, and we can assume that interest rates are unlikely to drop any further for a while now. Rates are predicted to hold steady with a chance of modest rate increase by the end of next year. The low interest rates mean for you that even though homes are a little bit more expensive this year than last, they are still extremely affordable as far as your mortgage. So all in all, 2022 is shaping up to be a whirlwind year, with predictions of home sales hitting their highest level in 16 years, rising about 6.6% year over year. And remember, great rates mean that buying in 2022 is still very affordable. And if you are thinking of selling this year, it's a great time to take advantage of good price appreciation and willing buyers. Give me a shout to discuss today's market and how it affects your future in real estate and your real estate plans for 2022. And thank you for watching, and I wish you a fabulous 2022 ahead. Thank you.